Hi, and welcome to this vitepos video. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to configure the Wallee terminal in vitepos. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss an update. And if you're already subscribed, thank you for being a part of our community. To get started, head over to the payment module in the admin panel. In the payment settings, you'll find a new option to enable Wallee terminal payment. Go ahead and turn it on. Once it's enabled, navigate to the Wallee Terminal Settings tab. Here, you'll need to enter your Space ID, User ID, and secret key. You can find these details in your Wallee account dashboard. After entering the credentials, click Save. Now, a new section called Map with Reader will appear. This is where you connect the terminal to a specific outlet and counter. In our example, we're selecting the New Year Store outlet and the Pay Zone counter. Then, select the terminal you want to assign and hit Save again. To test the setup, go to the Pause panel, select a few products, and click on Pay Now. On the checkout screen, choose Wallee Terminal as the payment method, enter the amount, and click Pay Now. We've included a real-time demo video for you to see the process in action. As shown, after tapping the card on the terminal, the payment is completed successfully, and a receipt is instantly generated inside vitepos. That's it for this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to like, comment, and share for more updates.